Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I just recently discovered the happiness that comes along with owning a porch goose and all of the charm that goes along with dressing them in adorable and sometimes hilarious outfits. And I gotta tell you, I was not the least bit disappointed in this summer bikini porch goose outfit from Aymolas. This outfit comes with a pink polka dot hat, bikini top, a skirt, and foldable pink heart sunglasses. I was so impressed with how well this outfit was made. The stitching was very strong, and the skirt has an elastic band to easily dress and undress your goose, and it also held tight when the wind blows. The outfit came nicely packaged, and I was ready to dress my goose straight out of the box. Everything fit very nicely, and my goose was beach ready in a matter of moments. So if you're ready to add a bit of fun to your next pool party or just add some charm to your front porch, then you're going to love this goose outfit. And that's my point of view.